Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smartyurl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smartyurl.it/pass. This video channel is at smartyurl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smartyurl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smartyurl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's the problem for today for exam MAS1. You are given the following system and the following statements. 1,5 and 2,4 are minimal path sets. 1,2 and 4,5 are minimal cut sets. 1,3,5 and 2,3,4 are both minimal path sets and minimal cut sets. Determine which of the above statements are correct. And here are those three statements and the answer choices. So none are correct, 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, and the answer is not given by A, B, C, or D. So here's the answer. The system functions if both components 1 and 5 function, but the system fails if either component fails, so that 1,5 is a minimal path set. And the system functions if both components 2 and 4 function, but the system fails if either component fails, thus 2 and 4 is a minimal path set. So statement 1 is true. The system does not function if both components 1 and 2 fail, and all components not in this set function, but the system functions if either components 1 or 2 functions. So 1, 2 is a minimal cut set. And the system does not function if both components 4 and 5 fail, and all components not in the set function, but the system functions if either component 4 or 5 functions. Thus 4, 5 is a minimal cut set. And here's the picture again. So you can see that if you can go through 1 and 5, you can get through, no matter what happens to the other components. So it's a minimal path set. And 2, 4, if you go through 2, 4, you can get through, no matter what happens to the other components. Therefore, 2, 4 are minimal path sets. And then if you cut 1 and 2, then the system doesn't function. And if you keep one of them, 1 or 2, and everything else functions, then the system functions. And the same is true for 4 and 5. So 1, 2, and 4, 5 are minimal cut sets. Even if everything else functions, if you take out 1 and 2, or you take out 4 and 5, the system does not function. Therefore, these are minimal cut sets. Therefore, statement 2 is true. For statement 3, the system functions if just 1 and 3 function, thus 1, 3, 5 is not a minimal path set. The system functions if just 2 and 4 function, thus 2, 3, 4 is not a minimal path set. If 1, 3, and 5 all fail to function, then the system still functions if 2 and 4 function. So 1, 3, 5 is not a minimal cut set. If 2, 3, and 4 all fail to function, then the system still functions if 1 and 5 function. So 2, 3, 4 is not a minimal cut set. Therefore, statement 3 is not true. And that's answer B. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from the Casualty Actual Society. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.